In this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently stop pop-up notifications on your Facebook app. So if you are distracted by a lot of notifications you are receiving from Facebook that are annoying, then let me show you how you can stop them permanently. My name is Isaac and this is a minute with AI. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you hit the like button and subscribe to support me. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to use Redmi Note 10. However, this process should be the same on any other Android smartphone. So the first thing you need to do is to access the information page, and you can simply access this using two methods. The first method is you go to settings, and then under settings, go and look for the option called apps. Now from here, tap on manage apps, and then this will open all the apps you have on your smartphone. Go ahead, scroll down until you get to Facebook app, and here's our app. So if we tap on Facebook, you can see we have accessed information page of Facebook. Now, alternatively, you can access this page by simply long pressing on Facebook app and then tap on info page. If you tap on this, it will still take you to the same page. So you are receiving a lot of notifications from Facebook because the notification button or option is turned to yes. If we tap on it, you can see all the notifications have been turned to show notifications. And from here, you can see you are receiving all kinds of notifications, including the floating one, the lock screen notifications one, and even the play sound ones, vibration ones, and all of them. So to turn off these notifications, just go ahead and toggle on this show notification button, and it will switch off all the other notifications from Facebook. So I'll go ahead and toggle on it, and immediately you can see they are turned off. So from here, I'll never receive notifications from Facebook unless I go ahead and turn on these show notifications again. So that's how you stop notifications from Facebook. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.